Hey guys, my name is Ali. Today we are doing a house tour 2025. Last time I did in 2023, but the house kind of changed a bit for 2025. So let's get started here. Here we go. So first thing I want to show you this is the office here. This is where we do our work and stuff here. There's my books and stuff. I have books here, stuff. And I also mentioned I already did a room tour, so I'll show you it again, even though I did it, but it's okay. Some papers and stuff. We have an exercise machine, we have treadmill, we got analyst, we got bike. Let's just get rid of this. I'm gonna work this side and the workout. I forgot to end it. So now I got Alexa have a charger. I have a charger for no reason. And here's skateboards and stuff here. Stuff is windows and all that stuff here. So yeah, let's go to this. We have a garage here. Okay, here's the garage where I put some. Here's some Air Forces here. Air Forces. I got slides. Got some. I got Crocs. I got some shoes, and shoes, Calvin Klein shoes, and all that. I got these. This is the kitchen. We bought this 2 years ago. This is the kitchen looks like right now. We got this new stuff, new things in here. Part of it's in this here too. I think I have it. And some stuff here. Just the thing here. Let's see this. I'll show you this. This is the thing I want. Look. There's phone chargers, self-cleaning hard, I don't know. Here's self-cleaning supplies. My maid cleans when she comes. Here's my bag. It's broken so far. This is here's my bag. I use this bag sometimes. Here's all this stuff. Basketball. This is where I play basketball sometimes. And all this Halloween decorations for Halloween. Halloween's next month, so I might decorate it next month. So yeah. Let's go to the next one here. Here's the kitchen area. There's a kitchen here. This is the dining room. This is where we eat dinner. I normally eat it over here. Here's all the stuff. I got plates. I haven't eaten this yet. Ooh, scary. But here's fish. Store a lot of foods. And in the frozen area. And also, I forgot to show you this. Here's the bread that I have here. So, yeah, this is where I use this here. This is the fridge. I'll store all this stuff here. This is where here's this thing. I normally use this stuff. Okay, so this is the kitchen. This is the living. This is the kitchen, and here's the living room. This is where we watch TV. There's my laptop charger. I'll show you the room saying I'm gonna show you the master bedroom here. It's just light. Oh, and also here's the backyard here. We're gonna make this bigger next year. Yeah. Over here we're gonna just here's the bed. Here's the bedroom here. Master is where my parents. This is my mom's closet. All supposed to change stuff like this and stuff. Stuff here. Save all that stuff that she hides and stuff. Over here we got some drawers. All these kind of drawers. Laundry basket here. This is where, here's the iPad right here. Here's the iPad. It's kind of broken right now. Look at this. Bad. And this is the thing this is where there's a closet right here. My dad's closet is so tight in here. I hate this. Would hate this, but yeah. Bathrooms here. I take showers in here too. Look at this bathroom right here. Bathrooms. This is the restroom. I don't know. I do not use this kind of. I hope I don't put in solid. Here's just towel stuff here. Good. Showers. This is the bathtubs. Just where we take baths. All this here. The thing I want to show you is this is a shower. I just took a shower already, but hope I don't fall in. This is the thing blank. It's a body wash and stuff. Yeah. And stuff. So let's go next. Let's go to the next one. Okay, let's turn off this light real quick. Okay, it's hard. But yeah, I forgot to show you this pantry. Pantry right here. Pantry like this, like this, like this. Well, the pantry here too. Now we're gonna be on this right. This is the hobby. It's just a hobby here. It's where I do some law work. I'll store foods, beards and stuff. There's one right here too, across it as well. Here we go. Now cried overnight. Yeah. And here's the laundry room here. Do lots of laundries. In this bag, all the laundry supplies. Over here we can hide in here. So let's see how. But so I'm gonna share this. This is how I put those stuff. This is what I do. Hope we can. This is what I do when I go in here. It's crazy high. Wow. And then close the door. So we close the door. We close the door. See? I barely fit in there, but I could go in here for not be stuck. Kind of scary to go in here. But yeah, I'm not gonna do all that stuff. Here's some making stuff dirty. So yeah, that's why I don't do all that craziness here. Stuff right here. Yeah, let's go. Let's continue this. Yeah, continue. So here's the stuff I worked. Here's my yearbook. Here's my laptop. Here's my drink stacks. My bags. I guess when my grandma stays here, this is my headphones. Here. Yeah, this is where headphones go and stuff. Show you this bathroom again. I got no fish reminding me. Here's the bathroom here. We just use the bathroom right here, right here, right here. So yeah, I'm 15. I don't use this bathroom because I use the bathroom in the parents' room. Like I said, show you. Here's my room. This is where I sleep. Here's my toys. I have hoodies for tomorrow. And I'm gonna prepare my clothes for tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna wear these jeans tomorrow. Yeah, this is where I wear tomorrow always. So I just pick up stuff I want. I think I'm wearing this my bad. Here's the Japanese shirt I'm wearing. And pick this up. I might wear this on Tuesday. Tomorrow we're getting my class schedule changed, so I might that's my day. So here's the thing I wear. So let's check. See, I use one hand. So yeah, let's check. Yeah, this is where I put stuff right inside if I use it. Here's my shirt. Here's my take out shirt. I'm gonna pick this out. Socks. So I'll put this right here. So that's for tomorrow's school, just in case. But also, I normally put this stuff in here. So that's where I was. So I put the stuff right here. Done. So all the stuff I have here. Should I just these some Roblox gift cards or something to you. Here's my totals stuff. Here's my gaming setup. I just getting repaired, so I don't. That's why I don't use it. Here's the closet I have here. Closets. Closet. There's lots of stuff. I still have a few things to mix today. And there's nothing under the bed. I don't really use it. Here's a blanket, just covered stuff. Camera. Here we go. There's some multiple cameras. I'll show you. There's a camera right there. Right, there's a camera. There's one in the office, I think. Yeah, there's one. This is one in the office. That's the camera. And here's the one in the garage. Look. You can't see it, but it is right there in the dark. Yeah, it's right there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 cameras in the room. There's sensors. There's so many sensors here. Look, I see one sensor right there. There's this and there's the second one here. 3 sensors right here. There's the second one there. There's third sensors. There's a sensor right here. This stuff on the door, we don't really use this, but sometimes this is where I put this is where I put some hole. Look at this. Look at, I think you can't see it, but yeah, people and stuff. So yeah. So let me turn off the light. I'm gonna do my outro and I'll see you. So yeah. So guys, this is it for our video. If you like this video, please consider subscribe and like this video. And I will see you guys next time. Peace out. Peace. Wait, no, it's not that.